Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your presentation and selecting the exact slide you want to affect. This first action focuses the change and prevents accidental edits elsewhere. Once selected, make sure the slides panel is visible so you can confirm placement. Next, open the slide menu or right-click the thumbnail. This is faster than hunting for obscure icons. You do this because setting the slide scope first lets transitions apply precisely, saving time when you copy effects later to other slides. Once done, click Transition to open the panel on the right. This is where you pick the visual behavior. Choose a type like fade, slide, or flip so the movement matches your content, and set duration in seconds, short for quick emphasis, longer for dramatic reveals. Make sure to toggle Start on Click Verses automatically after X seconds, depending on whether you control the pace live. You set these because timing and motion affect comprehension and audience focus. Finally, apply the transition to other slides by using Apply to All when you want consistency. This saves repetitive work. Preview in present mode to verify flow and make sure the speed feels natural, then tweak duration or start settings if a slide feels rushed or dragging. If transitions fail or behave oddly, first clear browser cache and reload. Next, disable browser extensions that could interfere. These steps fix 90% of hiccups and get your presentation smooth and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.